What's up guys, NoGuy30. I'm doing another gameplay for The Walking Dead Survival Instinct. Last I played, I had been in Fontana and I had found my brother Merle and had gotten Mia, but I had dropped her earlier before I left. And I had to stop off at the gas station, which I wasn't able to show. So right now we are at Oakview, a sawmill. And I'm going to be trying to get some medicine for Merle. I'm going to leave more inside the car.
So you're just going to walk up there, knock on the door, and ask to borrow a cup of meds?
What do you want me to do? You're sick as a dog. You need medicine. You didn't want to go to a hospital.
Let's just go join my crew at Jay. We've got what we need.
Yeah, gotta get there first. Travel ain't so easy these days.
I'm coming with you there.
Yeah? You can barely walk. Just stay put. Rest up. Anything happens, just call me.
Fine.
Okay, I'm going to switch my weapon. Oh, crap. Here we go. Just see if there's any around at the moment. Okay. From what I can see, I'm going to take out my scope very quick. See if I can scope a few down. I see one right there, and I see one right there. And I don't see any walking. So I'm going to take the ones out that I see at the moment.
Oh, hell.
What do you got?
We got eaters in here, too.
You guys did. And there you are, you get a free ticket.
Attention. We got clues. Thanks. Try and get a ladder.
Oh crap.
I heard that. Ain't they being neighborly?
Yeah, they aren't shooting at me. Yeah.
We got to keep a sharper watch.
Oh crap.
Get a group out there to check the wind's business. There's a hole out there somewhere. Watch for stragglers. It only takes one to ruin your day.
Come on, guys. I know you guys want to be up. Everyone could take a turn. There we go. Maybe I got a break. There's an entryway through the fence right there.
I see one where they're getting in. Might be able to block them off.
Valerie, yours are broken through. Get over here now.
Oh crap.
We called for military assistance, but there's only one recon chopper in the area. They won't get here in time.
Gotta get inside that door over there. And I am surrounded. I am in. I do not see any inside here. Oh, there is one. Oh, crap. He saw me. I guess he didn't. There's the other one.
It's worse for sure.
Where photo? I'm gonna see what I can find inside here first. Heading upstairs. Up the ladder. Up to the top.
Report in. Travis, you there? Travis?
Ah.
Don't have much to show
Man, I need that.
You can do it.
Swenson. I'm just taking all the stuff without even talking.
Alright, here goes.
Nah. What if I opened it? No, I couldn't open it even if I wanted to.
Don't have
If I
much to show.
opened it, then he'd probably get killed. I do not know.
You're the stranger. Was it worth it? All of this? We had a good thing going here. Little way station. Goons kept outside. I was able to protect these people. How'd you do it?
Me? I didn't do this. Too bad about your camp, but I didn't cut no fence. Look, my brother, he's real sick. We know you got meds. It's the only reason we came here.
Beds? Yeah, I suppose. Guess that's all I got now.
That's all I need.
Enough to buy me a ticket out of here.
Yeah, man, that's more than enough.
Main gate is that way. It's still blocked, last I saw. You gotta cut through the sawmill to get out. It's gated too. Here's the
Oh, great, this will be fun.
I got more ammo stashed. I'm gonna grab it, and I'll meet you at the gate. Over.
Saws are always a good sign to hide his own apocalypse, that's all I can say.
Watch out for the splitter blade. Gotta make lunch.
There we go.
Come on. Oh, yeah.
Oh, crap. Dude! He's dead. Oh, crap. Oh, great. Oh, crap. My bad. Now I know what not to do. How about one more go? Anytime now. And the loading time of the game is so long. Kinda got on top, but let's go again. Okay, let's see how this one goes. And try and not get killed. He did.
Stupid.
Okay. It's taking a little bit too long for those walkers to get over here. I think they're a little confused. Oh crap, I just lost the bolt. He's good. There's another one down there. Maybe I can get the bolt for the one that I actually shot.
What the hell go that rat
Oh man, I was gonna top. There we go. I got those guys. Time to hit a Taggart. I think I'm gonna take the high. I have to take the high chance, I guess. I just hope I don't break down. My guess is I'm gonna break down. Yep, I need to go get a new tire. Your tire blew out. Search the area for a new tire. This will be fun. Okay, all I gotta do is I gotta sneak around and I gotta kill the walkers I see. Maybe I could put the handgun in here. Put the bullet rifle in there, semi-auto rifle. Okay. I'm gonna get into this place now.
At least one of these.
Okay, I'm out of here. Okay. There we go. Highways.
Lumber's government camp has been compromised. We got those 2 babies. We'll keep our truck patrol. About his babies, we'll deal with them.
Come on, man. Gotta get off the road.
Yeah, they're looking for somebody. It's not us. Wasn't us that killed that camp.
They don't care about that. They're still after my head, man. And anyway, we can't lead them back to my club.
Calm down, man. Take your pills. Funny place.
Oh, great, I'm at the drive-in. See what I got. I'll take the full action rifle. Time to leave.
We gotta switch out trucks. Those birds are hawking us.
Could be to help. You ever think about that?
You hear that? Chocolate. Yes. Right there.
How am I supposed to know that?
Let's rustle up a new ride. I'm going up that hill to see what I can see.
bolt.
Found.
Okay.
Young man, be careful now. Don't let those poxy unfortunates hurt you. Yeah?
Well, guys, I'm going to end this part here. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and check out some other videos by me or by Spartan Plays or Nathan Dashkey or Nathan Rura. So, thank you for watching. Talk to you guys later. NormalGuy30 out.